And welcome, successful and soon to be successful traders. Welcome to my first YouTube video where I actually explain the strategies that I trade, and I will even show you the levels that I traded from. Because let me actually make myself bigger for this, because now I'm going to talk for a little while. Voila, there we go. I'm bigger. The point is, like, I know that people would like to see like charts and ideally get signals. However, I'm like day trading on a 15-minute chart, 15-minute time frame. So by the time that the setup is there and I take the screenshot and I post it somewhere, the price is completely elsewhere. And also keep in mind that you would get this alert. You still have to pull out your phone. You still have to place the trade, and like the trades would not be valid anymore. And it just doesn't make sense. Like, I'm yet to meet the first person who's going to tell me like, oh, I created wealth by trading somebody else's signals. So that's why I decided to share my strategy, the one which I trade personally right now as a day trading, to share the levels I traded from so that you can trade it for yourself, to actually give you actual value, not to give you good marketing that is going to make you lose money. So now, let me shrink myself back and explain you my strategy. Da-da-da-da. Shrinking in process, coming up, coming up, coming up, coming up, coming up. Okay, here we go. So, these are the coins that are currently trade live. So it's Phantom, Luna, Kava, Decentraland, I think it's Mana. And also on this, I'm testing Matic, and also I'm trading Atom. So, in this video, I will just focus on explaining the strategy that I actually use. So, let's zoom in. How do I do that? Oh, I have to move myself. Get ready. Moving up. There we go. So basically, I trade from the 15-minute time frame. So what that means, I switch myself to the 4-hour time frame, where I'm gonna draw all like support on the resistance levels that are actually valid for this coin or for in this chart. So this is where I start. You can see my levels on Phantom. These are my current levels that I'm currently trading from. So this is where we are. Then I go to the 1-hour time frame, see if there's something else. Actually, yeah, like as I'm looking at this, I could be anticipating like there's something in here. So this is what we do on the higher time frames. And then we zoom in to the 15-minute time frame, and we wait for the entry signal. And that's it. It's like so super simple. So you just keep updating these zones, and I will be sharing these zones with you at least weekly. I commit to doing it weekly. If I do it more often, or if I figure out like giving you some quick updates that the zone is not working, then I will do that. So far, let me commit to doing it like weekly. And so, for example, these are the zones that I trade. And once we are above the zone, so that means the price. I mean, if you don't know what's the price, what's the candles, just get my course. I explain it all there. If you have some trading experience, you should know what I'm talking about. So you will just take, for example, okay, we are here, we break it was resistance, now it's support. Here is our entry signal. We set the stop loss right below the entry signal. I'm not doing some traders, and they're quite successful. They do it below the support or above the resistance. I do it like a couple of like 0.10%, or like this is like feeling based upon the entry signal. And then on each coin, I take profit like, actually Phantom, I like taking, what have I done? Sorry, back to the video. On Phantom, I like taking profits like 1-to-1. It's really good coin where you take profits 1-to-1, or if you have patience, you can hold it for really a lot good performance, 3-to-1, without moving stop loss to break even. So you have to be kind of patient. Just let it run to 3-to-1. That's the best how the coin performs. I have backtested all of this, like I have backtested this with like data. Every week I go through the chart and I place all the trades that I should have taken but didn't take because I was, you know, not behind the charge, or just I just chickened out. I was like, oh, I'm not gonna take this. And this is like highly profitable. So this is basically my strategy. Just do the higher time frame zones, go to the lower time frame, and then just wait for the entry signal, which is my understanding of engulfing candle or pin bar candle. I will make another video about it, but just like I have like some special rules about this, which works best for me. If something else works better for you, good for you. I will share this with you as well, because I think this is like the best way to actually help you become a profitable trader. To share with you, okay, like these are the zones that I'm looking for to trade. These are the setups that I'm taking and on the coins. So this is it. It's like super simple. I take both directions. I take short trades from resistance and long trades from support. It's working really well. On Phantom, I'm actually taking 1-to-1, take profit, sometimes 3-to-1. Terra 2-to-1 with moving stop loss to break even after 1-to-1. Mana and Kava the same. Just taking 2-to-1, take profits, and moving stop loss to break even at 1-to-1. And we can go through the level. I'm not sure if I will make another video about this. So this was just like the first video where I actually explained my strategies. That was like, if you would be taking all the trades, you can make up to 20% a week, even more, like easily. So this is the strategy. This is what I do. In next videos, I will explain a little bit more. I will show you the levels, and I will explain a little bit more. But you can already start looking at this. Like, just look at the charts. Like, if you already have some basic understanding of trading, just look at the charts of these 5 coins that I told you. Try to draw the support and resistance zones, as kind of be generous with them. Don't make them like super thin, make them kind of thick, you know, and then zoom into the 15-minute chart and tell me in the comments what you have found out, if it's working for you. And if you're not there yet, what I can do is be sharing my zones with you on the weekly basis, so that basically you have the zones and you just wait for the entry signal when you have time to be behind the charts. So that's it from me. My first video where I reveal my strategy that's have potential. Like, it's not bringing, like I'm not saying, because I'm not always behind the charts. I don't always take the trades like I'm supposed to. So in real, it's not like this kind of like skyrocket performance. In real, it's not 20%, but it's like very close to, it can get very close to 5 to 10% per week trading, which is like quite amazing. So this is it. This is what I do, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.